Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, January 19th, 2024.
This short but busy week started with our LHS Griffins hosting their annual Winter Assembly. The assembly featured highlights from winter sports as well as a special performance from varsity song and boys basketball. Additional highlights included a friendly game of dodgeball and a special introduction of the winter formal court. And of course, no assembly would be complete without the roller coaster. In other news, our MOSI Lions filled the boardroom for their annual board presentation during Tuesday night's Board of Education meeting. The evening started with a beautiful patriotic performance of My Country 'Tis of Thee by the Sea Lions Choir, followed by a presentation by Principal Wendy Wood and two talented and very well-spoken 5th grade leaders, all about the wonderful things happening inside and outside of the classroom at the School by the Sea. Their presentation concluded by honoring the McGaw Hero of the Heart, Mrs. Emmy Harris. This week, we were also excited to surprise our December Los Al USD Rock Stars of the Month. Although the surprise was a little delayed due to the winter break holiday, we were thrilled to honor two outstanding staff members. Our December Certificated Rock Star of the Month is Jody Hutchinson, counselor at Los Alamitos High School, and our December Classified Rock Star is Jenny Wampler, Site Office Coordinator at Hopkinson Elementary. Congrats again to these rock stars. In middle school news, we welcomed our incoming middle school families last night for our annual Parent Information Night. Families packed the PAC at Los Alamitos High School to learn all about what's to come in middle school for their incoming 6th graders. We can't wait to welcome our newest Lions and Eagles next year. Speaking of middle school, Dr. Pulver, along with board member Chris Forehand, took a visit to Oak this week to witness all of the incredible learning going on both inside and outside of the classroom. Highlights from the visit included all of the 4A's seeing firsthand the awesome academics, athletics, activities, and the arts happening at Oak. And finally, the week ended with one of our favorite Oak events, the Lion Pride Awards. The Lion Award is the highest award a student can receive at Oak, as they can only receive this award once during their 3 years at the middle school. Teachers nominate a student and get to honor them for their hard work and character. Congrats again to these honorees. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap up!